Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Anderson Adventures. So I'm going to be jumping on throughout this video to explain little bits because we went on a day trip yesterday and filmed quite a bit actually, but what I then realised when putting it all together, I didn't do no talking. I didn't explain where we were, what we're doing or anything like that. So I will be jumping on, making these little videos, popping them in between throughout so you can know what's going on really. So me and the girls decided to go down to Aldenham Country Park with our friends Carla and her daughter Jodie. So Aldenham Park down at Elstree, pop the address down below for you in the description box. It's known for its little farm that it has there, and also its 100-acre woods where you can go and find all Winnie the Pooh, Piglet, Tigger and all their houses amongst the trees and the fields. It's brilliant if you are a Winnie the Pooh fan. It's also got a reservoir there, and I think you can actually do fishing on there as well. I think I remember reading somewhere. What else can you do there? Oh, an adventure playground, a sensory playground as well. Woodland walk, lots of adventure playground bits, lots of places to have picnics, and you can also do camping and a bit of glamping there as well. So that is definitely something that is on my list to do in the future, is to go stay there, which I think would be pretty cool with the farm right on the doorstep. Kids love it. Happy kids, happy mum. Brilliant. So without further ado, I'll give you our day out yesterday. Enjoy.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, click that like button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up.
Yeah!
They're birds, it's all poultry. Poultry and birds.
Yeah, so you got yours, Gracie.
No fishing, please.
Oh no! That's not fair. No fishing!
You can feed these as well.
God, how much feather is that?
Just mine, because they're geese, so...
I'm gonna say Brooke likes her geese.
Look at that waterfall.
Yeah. What does the sign say as well?
Nothing.
It says no fishing.
There's just nothing.
So no fishing, Brooke.
No, that doesn't say that. I know.
They're very small bags, aren't they?
They are for the chickens.
Yeah.
Where's the chicken? Have you got it?
I think they're full up. Might have to wait till we get around the other side.
Oh my god, that chicken scared me.
Watch it. Oh!
Where did that come from? Oh, here they
Do you want to feed him? You have to put it through, darling.
That's a big old fat chicken.
I actually don't like chickens. No.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's a big one, isn't he? He's bigger than you.
No, fun facts for you.
I'm scared to feed
My mum had
them.
chickens when we were younger.
Are you sure they will bite?
They won't bite. They'll just peck you.
You've got food in your hands. I don't think they do.
Mummy,
goat
can you
food.
hold my food? Or
I'll hold your feed.
I'll hold this.
Oh!
No, that's not goat feed. Don't give goats that food that isn't for them.
Oh, I've got guinea pigs.
Guinea pigs?
Guinea pigs.
Don't be scared, don't be scared.
How did I end up there? That's hiding over there.
Oh yeah, hiding in the shade. Oh, well, don't. That is so cute.
Trying to get the mother up. Hello? Feed the children. Feed the children.
I think she's hot, guys.
Oh no, look, that's where you put the food, down the tunnel.
Ah.
And they have their food.
They've got a big
patch.
pile of food, though.
Oh yeah, they've got a huge pile.
I was going to say, well, you have to get your selfie.
I can climb over that.
Oh, don't, you'll end up touching it.
a nice chocolate one.
That is, I don't know what it is. It's his
No,
spawn.
is this the sheep food? I got the sheep food.
Are they nice?
I got the sheep food. No, this is chicken.
They're fine, Jodie. Let's see.
Jodie!
Oh, I think you've got food.
Mummy.
They're so hot. That's why they're in the shade.
Where's my tray of food?
He's coming.
I did as well. No more ham.
He's actually quite a pretty cow.
Why is there so much flies in there?
Oh, it's got udders. It's a girl.
Oh,
Is it a girl?
she is a pretty cow.
Dawn's got the other guy with the cow.
I want to
I have indeed.
I don't know how.
No, it might be a bit hard to straight this one, Bobs, because you're the barbed wire.
What's this? What's this?
Grace, don't touch that wire.
Sneaky,
Breaking the
sneaky.
rules.
Yeah. Terrible children, who are they? Please wash your hands. You wash your hands, Jodes?
Yeah.
Good.
I did!
Well done! Gracie, you wash your hands? Yeah. Brooke's broken the sink. Like a vandal. Oh, the COVID rules. Okay, so it's something we're all having to get used to right now. These are all new COVID rules. So at the farm, it's not as bad as you think it's going to be. It's quite good in my eyes. So normally beforehand you would kind of go through the shop, get your tickets if you hadn't ordered them online. Now as you're walking through the gate, got a little marquee to the side, do a payment there. You can still buy the food to feed the animals whilst you're walking round. Straight away, hand sanitizer station, and the gentleman behind the table asks you to sanitize your hand whilst entering as well, which is good, we like that. It's a one-way system around the farm, so there's no crossing over or anything like that. Obviously you still do cross over, but you be good. So one-way system around the farm, hand sanitizer stations throughout, and at the end, once again, actual sink, stuff like you just saw in the video, to wash your hands. What else? Oh yeah, the petting area wasn't on. There's no pony rides. There's no egg collecting. What else is there not on? I think that was it. Yeah, on my little list. I think that's it. obviously they prefer the card payments and keep your distance.
Where you going, Jade? Where you going, Jade? Sorry, Jade, so I missed what you said then, love.
Oh, okay. So there's a bridge on the map. There we go.
She's found the bridge.
Let's go. I'll be there. I ain't racing.
Why are you not racing?
I'll wait till I want.
This is Poo's Bridge.
Oh, it's a poo bridge. You can poo on it.
No, you can't poo on the
Look,
bridge.
this is how old it is. The river has dried up.
It has dried up. Whoa, that's deep. Oh God, Grace has seen something. She's gone. Come on, Kaya.
I'm going to sit here and wait.
Carla. Where are you? We see you.
I tell you my shoe, it's Gracie's coming.
Right, so with this one, so it's earlier in the day, can't remember exactly what it was. Right, go down now. Can't remember exactly what it was or how it came about, but basically we was walking along, Gracie stopped, you know, what's wrong, we're not happy, something in her shoe, she's going on about, and it's your fault. Me. It was my fault she had something in her shoe. So from then, basically, whenever I am in the shoe, it's your fault. It's your fault.
Whose house is it? Eeyore's house. Eeyore's gloomy place.
We made one of these, didn't we?
Yeah, you did actually at No Man's Land.
Yeah.
You going through,
I
Grace?
see another one.
Do you?
Yeah.
Woo. That was very gracefully done then, Jodes. I like it.
Oh.
I'm not even going to attempt it, you'll have no house left. Hefflump's been in there.
Be gone. How is she running?
I know. Where are you going? Jesus Christ. Like a sudden burst of energy.
It's like, nah,
No.
I ain't having any of this.
No.
Oh,
Honey. There's some honey there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Someone's inside.
someone's inside.
You can't go in this one though.
I can't go in. Hey, there's Winnie the Pooh. Winnie the Pooh. Got a little table and everything set up in there. Yeah. Whose house is this?
Piglet.
Piglet's house.
I'm gonna go on top of the house.
And letters for Piglet
Can I
as
go
well.
on this?
No, you can't go onto that. Look.
Oh. Who lives in there? Eve? Mom. Mummy, can I go to it?
That's so cool.
Hi, Mum.
Hi.
I love this bit of the film when his house falls down. I think it's brilliant.
Apparently, owls actually sit on this tree at night.
Probably. Oh look, I can see Owl actually.
Mama, can you hold me?
You alright?
The fly thing.
The fly
I'm
thing.
scared.
I can see Owl
Where?
up in the tree.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry.
Don't be scared.
Did.
Vegetable patch, man.
There used to be a bit. There used to be something. Look.
Rabbit's house.
Mummy,
Yeah.
can you take me? Can you take us a picture on this?
On that. Yes.
Mummy, will you?
I need to find what?
A key.
You need to find the key?
Yeah. Staff will have it, Gracie.
Oh no. Christopher Robin. Well, I can't see no key.
Oh. This is how hot it
It's
is.
all dried up. Brooke, how are you feeling about today?
You know.
You know. Jade, how are you feeling about today? Hot. Have you had fun though? Good. Gracie, how are you feeling about today? Bad.
Wait,
Why
the
bad?
ice cream bit.
And the piglets.
Yeah. And the goats.
Yeah.
Ice cream was
Cows.
good.
Ice cream is good. Cool, it's actually quite nice in the shade. Now, why was it a bad day? The weather. The weather is crazily hot at the moment. So, by the time we'd done the farm, had our lunch, done the 100 acre woods, even though part of it was under trees, it's still hot. So, when I'd filmed that part, we had just finished. We were on our way back to the car pretty much. So, we all just couldn't wait to get back in the car and get that aircon going. It was just crazily hot. We were dripping. I think we was only there for like 3-4 hours, and it was just, yeah, it's crazy at the moment, as you guys know, with the weather. So once we got in the car, everyone had calmed down, cooled down, less all sweaty and irritable. Asked the girls again, did you have a good day? Yes, they loved it. So it definitely is a good day out if you want to go burn a few hours with the children, get them some fresh air and make them sleep at night a little bit better. Of 100 acre woods. Come on, Brookie. Come on.
Mummy, can we stick our feet in the water?
Stick your feet in the water?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Just our feet. That's good. I'm gonna go, Mum, I'm gonna go this way.
Aldenham Country Park Reservoir Walk.
Huh?
There's loads of geese there, babes. Yeah.